Welcome! In front of me is a DUOQIN F22 Pro, and today I will show you how you can put this device into boot mode. So to get started, hold your power button and from the boot options select power off. When the device turns off, hold power button and volume up at the same time. And as you can see, we're now in boot mode. Now in here you'll need to use volume up only to navigate, and volume down will be used to confirm whatever is selected. I'll bring this a little bit closer so we can see this. You can see we have things like recovery mode as the first option, then pressing down we have fast boot mode, and then normal boot. Normal boot is the way you get back to Android. So that's what I'm going to select with now pressing volume down. So you navigate using volume up and you confirm using volume down. And as you can see, we are now back in Android. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.